Some homes tell you everything the moment you pull into the driveway. This isn't one of them.
Tucked along the 10th hole at the Grove, the home feels elegant and appropriately scaled from the street. Beautiful, certainly, but nothing prepares you for what happens once you step inside.
Because this is a home that keeps unfolding. One courtyard, one view, one surprise at a time.
This is a home that never gives away the whole story at once. This is 8809 Drosera Circle.
Built by Hatcliff Construction and recently expanded, this estate now spans nearly 10,000 square feet. But what's remarkable isn't the size, it's how thoughtfully that space is revealed. As soon as you step into the foyer, you get the first hint that this home is actually much larger than it appears from the street. Ceiling heights rise above you, natural light fills the space, and your eye immediately starts looking beyond the next room. The formal dining room continues that feeling. The room is generous in scale, yet the architectural detailing keeps it from feeling formal or intimidating. Then the home opens up into the living room.
This is where the scale of the house reveals itself for the first time. The ceilings soar overhead, but what stands out most is how connected the room feels to the landscape beyond. The rolling hills of the Grove become part of the view, creating a backdrop that changes throughout the day and throughout the seasons. From here, the room naturally flows into the kitchen. This is where daily life happens. The kitchen is surrounded by gathering spaces that make entertaining feel effortless. Whether it's a quiet morning coffee or a house full of guests for the weekend, everything feels connected without feeling crowded. Just when you think you've seen the heart of the home, another surprise appears.
The music room is another hidden jewel tucked into the floor plan. It's a quieter space, more intimate, a room that invites conversation, reflection, or simply a moment away from the activity happening elsewhere in the house. It's one more example of how this home continues to reveal itself in layers. That feeling becomes even more apparent as you step outside into the courtyard. This may be one of the home's most charming spaces. The courtyard creates a moment that feels transported from somewhere else entirely. Surrounded by architecture and softened by the landscape, it brings a sense of intimacy to a home of this scale. In many ways, it's what gives the property its English countryside character. And then on to the next chapter.
The sunroom. Positioned to capture the endless landscape, this space feels like a front row seat to one of the best views in the Grove. The rolling green fairways, distant hills, and changing light create a setting that feels peaceful year-round. It's the kind of room you'll find yourself using far more than you expected.
The primary suite gives a quieter moment in the story. Private and peaceful, it feels tucked away from the rest of the home. Large windows keep the connection to the outdoors, while the scale allows the room to feel luxurious without sacrificing comfort. Upstairs, the guest bedrooms provide plenty of space for family and visitors, while maintaining privacy and separation from the home's main living areas. Okay, by now you've probably realized that this house has a habit of continuing to reveal itself. This next part might be the most fun one yet.
The lower level transforms into an entirely different experience. Designed for recreation, entertaining, and connection, these spaces extend naturally outdoors. The game room opens directly to the backyard, creating a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor living. It's the kind of setup that was made for weekends with friends and family, and that connection becomes even more apparent once you step outside. The pool feels perfectly positioned to take advantage of the surrounding landscape and nature trails. Covered gathering spaces, areas for dining and grilling, and uninterrupted views across the golf course create a setting that feels remarkably private. And on the 4th of July, the experience gets even better with views of the Grove's fireworks display right from your own property. But even after all of this, the home still has one final surprise waiting.
Tucked away on the 3rd floor is a space that feels completely different than anything you've seen below. the mood shifts, the atmosphere becomes richer and a little more whimsical. It's a space that could become a lounge, a media room, a game room, or simply a private escape. Because that's really the story of 8809 Drosera Circle. It isn't a home built around a single wow factor. Instead, it unfolds slowly through its architecture, through its courtyards, through its views, and through the moments of discovery waiting around every corner. Long after you've seen every room, that's the feeling that sticks with you, that there's always something left to explore. A big thank you to LaRon Ray with Friedrich & Clark Realty.
And if you love seeing homes like this, make sure you're subscribed because there's always another picture-perfect home right around the corner.